Hello. So, I want to say welcome back. So this past weekend, I worked on some virtual crop pages. If you've not joined Creative Memories virtual crop group, I would really recommend it. I can usually, so they always have two double page spreads and two single pages to do, and they just have like an outline for you to follow about, and then you can just be as creative as you want to be. And so this particular page I've made this past weekend, and I used my border punch that is it's the sunshine, right? It looks like the sunshine, and um, I really like the color scheme because it reminds me of, just showing you the page, it reminds me of Arizona or New Mexico, and we've done some trips out there and sunsets. And so they had you using either you could use like four different border punches, or you could use two different border punches. They've got the simple trimmer that does a design, and so I used a couple of those as well. So, but this particular punch, I just really wanted to highlight that because I thought that this page turned out so pretty. Looks like sunsets. You could definitely use this for sunsets, um, and I think you could even make, if you put it together. I didn't try, but you probably could make a whole sun. Use one side and then do another and put them together. But yeah, just wanted to show you this page that I did over the weekend with that border trimmer that's a sunset, and it's really easy to use. It's standalone. Just pop it open, put the paper in. I think I showed you a border punch where we used the camper, and so this is very similar. It has the marks to show you where the punch is actually going to happen, and then it gives you a guide on each side to show you where your paper needs to be as you're feeding it through. All right, that's what works for me mostly. Thank you.